Guys, John Parker here with Van Horn Hyundai in Sheboygan. I want to show you this gorgeous Calypso Red 2020 Hyundai Sonata behind me here. This one's on the showroom floor. Absolutely a magnificent vehicle. I just love what Hyundai's done with these new Sonatas. This one has a little tape stripe on the hood because it's premiering our Lux Care paint and fabric protection, so that tape comes right off. That's just for the showroom floor model. These things look so aggressive. Look at those wheels set against that red and black. Let me show you something on these headlights. Let's look first at the chrome. If you'll notice, all the Sonatas are famous for having this chrome stripping that runs around the body lines, and talk about body lines, are they not gorgeous on this one? But when you flip the headlights on the 2020, check this out, what happens with your daytime running lights. This chrome stripping actually becomes a LED accent that just kind of fades into the darkness, and at night this thing looks so aggressive coming down the road. It's absolutely beautiful. Talk about bells and whistles. You're going to get it all. You get digital key card with this one to start your vehicle with just the use of a card if you prefer to not use your key fob. Speaking of key fobs, on this one you've got auto start, you've got smart park, as they say on the commercial. This thing can back itself in and out of parking places without you even being in the vehicle. So many, very many bells and whistles. Interactive cruise control, of course all your dual climate control. You've got this nice huge display screen. You've got digital instrument cluster in this. Just too many features to name in this short video, but look at that gorgeous brown tan leather interior. Open the back door. One of the features everyone loves about Sonata, plenty of room in the back seat, and these things ride like a dream. You'll love going down the road this summer with your panoramic sunroof. These gorgeous body lines. Check that out on the back with the lights on. Is that not just beautiful? And this one can be yours today here at Van Horn Hyundai in Sheboygan. Just come into the store and ask for me, Jim, and I'd love to show this one or another one to you. We've got a lot of them out there right now that just came in. We hope to see you soon.